Right guys, and welcome back to Black Stag Styling, where you join us for another one of our lovely videos here, and we have the pleasure this week of working on this fantastic Mercedes C63 AMG BiTurbo V8 in this lovely blue. Probably one of my favourite colours for this. Is a fantastic piece of kit, but we're just adding a little bit of extra styling to it. We've got a Maxton kit, we've got a rear spoiler we're painting, but we're going to get it into the workshop. We'll show you all the parts like normal, get cracking with the work. Here we go. Hi, me again. Normally Adam would be doing this bit, but he's away on holiday at the moment, so I'm going to do the talking through the parts bit again. So we have, as you know, this lovely Mercedes in for the Maxton Design bits. We are also painting the rear spoiler, so we're going to be removing that off the vehicle. That's just going in gloss black to match our Maxton Design bits. So we have our, let's start at the front of the vehicle. We have our front splitter sitting here. So we've got a front splitter, gloss black, side like splitter sections for the rear bumper, and some lovely side skirts all in gloss black. Doing loads of the Maxton bits. These always fit a treat. We'll be fitting them using metal fixings. Got our bonding agent as well, so that will keep them in place nice and safely. Loads of Maxton videos on the channel, so do check them out. We'll get cracking. We're getting this all on. Here we go. Right, we're over with Billa. Morning, Billa.
Morning, you alright?
All good, pal, all good. And we're just starting on the Mercedes. First thing to do, as Bill's now about to do, is remove the spoiler. So we're going to be doing this in gloss black to match in with all the Maxton parts. So as you know here, everything done properly, so we're taking it off. That can then all be properly prepped, primered, painted and lacquered in as the gloss black, and then we'll redo the tape and some bonding agent and get it back on the car. And then of course in the meantime, very shortly, we'll be starting the old Maxton kit. Ta-da! Ta-da! All off. We'll start getting it all prepped.
Yeah, clean up and prepped.
And then we'll use our special sort of, it's called a fudge wheel, to remove all the sticky off the top there, get that all re-prepped, and then spoiler back on at the end. Right, we're over with Bill, who is just scotching up the front splitter. So this is basically just prepping it, ready to put some primer on, to then add the bonding agent. I think what it was there. And the primer and bonding agent will just mean this won't be going anywhere. Even though we're going to put the metal fixings on as well, you do really need the bonding agent and the primer just to make the job a little bit neater, and guarantee that ain't going to go anywhere. Right, guys are now lining up the front splitter. Bill's already done his test fitting, so now the bonding agent's on, they can get this in place, get it bolted on. to just finishing fitting this side on. This side skirt is all on as well, so we'll have a little look. We'll wander around past the front. The other side's all on. So let's just move, have a quick little look. So front splitter's all on. We'll give you a proper look at the end. Side skirt all on, and the rear corner section all on as well. So we've just got the spoiler to go, which has just been painted in the gloss black, and then that'll be getting that on as well. Right, okay, we're now getting the spoiler on. This is the last little bit, and then that is all of the kit on. Like I say, we've taken this off the car. Francois has painted it in the lovely gloss black. Look at that, looks lovely. To go with all the other Maxton trims that we put on, the Maxton Design trims, body styling kit. Get this all lined up, then we'll be leaving it overnight and then finish everything tomorrow morning. Well guys, that brings us to the end of another one of our videos here at Black Stag Styling. Been an absolute pleasure doing another Mercedes. So this has been the Mercedes C63 in blue. Lovely sort of metallic blue. Does look a treat in this colour of the car. I like to say one of my favourites other than our black Mercedes, which is also on the channel, which we've done loads of styling on. Been a pleasure working on this one. Not a huge amount of bits we've been doing, but as you've seen, it is the Maxton gloss black trims around the vehicle, and of course painting the spoiler. So as always, starting with the front of the vehicle, we have the gloss black Maxton Design front splitter. Again, all bonded, fitted, everything done correctly onto the vehicle, so this ain't going anywhere. And then moving down the sides of the car, we have the lovely gloss black side skirts. Again, looking a treat, just following nicely down the side of the car to the little bumper corner sections on the rear bumper, just to finish off that gloss black body styling kit. And then of course we removed the spoiler on the boot lid, fully prepped it, cleaned everything up, prepped it, painted it and lacquered it in gloss black to match everything else, and got that bonded onto the vehicle to finish. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. As always, give you a last look round at the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Check out some of the other videos on the channel. We've got other mercs, we've got lots of stuff with Maxton Design, we've got all of our trucks, we've got a hydro dipping, loads and loads of bits and pieces. So get on some of the other videos, let us know what you think, let us know what else you'd like to see on the channel as well. We'll see you again soon for some more fun and games. Like and subscribe, take care, last look around the vehicle. There we go.